In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interests on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional profile or just explore different areas of interest, we're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to showcase what you're passionate about on LinkedIn. First, we need to head over to LinkedIn by opening your preferred web browser and going to linkedin.com. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into your account, so go ahead and sign in using your preferred method. You can opt for logging in with Google, Microsoft, or if you prefer, just use your email address coupled with your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. You'll then receive a code on your mobile phone that you'll need to input before proceeding. It's a quick security step, but important to keep your profile secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn profile by clicking your avatar photo, which is located at the upper right corner of the page. This is essentially your personal hub. Next, select View Profile. With just a few clicks, you're now one step closer to seeing your interests flourish on your profile. Scroll down to reach the bottom of your profile page. You will find a section titled Interests. This is where LinkedIn neatly categorizes the companies, influencers, industries, and schools that you follow. It's a reflection of the areas you are curious about or involved in professionally. Unlike other sections on LinkedIn, there's no direct way to type in interest like you would for skills. Instead, LinkedIn uses a dynamic method based on whom and what you follow. To add interest, you will need to utilize the search bar at the top of LinkedIn's homepage. Enter the names of pages, companies, or influencers you feel drawn to and search for them. You can click on the search results to access their profiles. Once there, you will notice a follow button. By clicking this button, you officially declare your interest in that entity, and the simple action of following will add that company, influencer, or school to your interest section on your LinkedIn profile. It's as easy as that, and that's all there is to it. Now, anyone viewing your profile will see a collection of your interests, giving them a snapshot of the professional areas you're passionate about. Remember, the interests you showcase help paint a broader picture of you in a professional light, so choose ones that genuinely excite you. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.